I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some important information about normal vectors. We have two statements here. Statement 1 is, a line in 2 space has infinite number of normal vectors that are all parallel to one another. Second statement is, a line in 3 space has an infinite number of normal vectors that may not be parallel to one another, right? So they may not be parallel, and these are always parallel. So these are the two statements given to you. Now the question for you is, select the best option about above statements. We have 4 options. Both are true, both are false. Only statement 1 is true and only statement 2 is true. You can pause the video, answer the question, and look into my suggestions. Well, the option 1 is the correct option. Both statements are true. Do you know the reason why? So let's consider the graph for each, right? So let's say when we are talking about 2 space, so we have x and y axis, correct? Now in x and y axis, you can always draw a line. Let us say this is the line, right? So what we have here is this plane, right, of paper. So this line is on the paper. Now how will the normal be? Normal should also be on the paper, right? So the normals will be kind of like this. Do you see making 90 degrees? Kind of like this. Now all these normals will be parallel, and there could be, so all these normals are parallel. Do you see that? So that is what we are saying. A line in 2 space has infinite number of normal vectors that are all parallel to one another. So all parallel. Do you see, as we have shown here? Now let us try to sketch R3. So in this we have 3 axes which are at right angles, correct? So what do we have here is x, y, and z. Now let us consider a line in R3. Okay, so let me draw a line here. So let's say we have this line in R3. Now how do you draw a normal to this? Well, the normal could be like this, right? And the normal could be like this. Do you see that? Now, so this could make 90 degrees. All right, so this could make 90 degrees with this line, and this could also make 90 degrees. Do you see that? So, and these two normals are not parallel. Do you see that? There are still infinite number of normals. We could have normal like this and like that. They are not parallel. So that is why they could be parallel also, right? So there could be many normals like this, but all may not be parallel. So both statements are absolutely correct. So it is to be kept in mind said that a line in 2 space will have infinite normals, all will be parallel, but in 3 space there will be infinite normals, but all may not be parallel. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.